Cholelithiasis and its management, a clinical study. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The study was carried out to investigate the clinical presentation, incidence, and variations in presentation among different age-sex groups, as well as the various modes of management of cholelithiasis. From October 2016 to September 2018, this study was undertaken in our hospital's Department of General Surgery on 50 patients who arrived with symptoms and signs suggestive of gallstones and were confirmed as cholelithiasis based on radiological and laboratory evidence. The management of the disease and post-operative complications and histopathological evaluation of the specimen were done, and the results were correlated with various other studies. Between the ages of 17 and 79, the most people are afflicted. Almost all of the patients had dyspepsia and right hypochondrial discomfort. The diagnosis of cholelithiasis was confirmed in 100% of the patients by USG abdomen. In our study, the average age of the patients was 48 years. Gallstones of various types were the most common. Cholesterol stones are next on the list, followed by pigment stones. 52% of the patients were female. All the 50 patients were treated surgically, 39 open cholecystectomy and 11 laparoscopy cholecystectomy. All 50 gallbladders sent for HPE, out of which 49 reported as chronic cholecystitis and 1 reported as adenocarcinoma. Cholelithiasis is most usually found as incidental finding on ultrasonography, especially in the 4th or 5th decade of life. Surgery was planned for the symptomatic individuals after USG confirmation. The procedure of choice is laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Gallstones, also known as cholelithiasis, are a common health issue that often require surgery. These are small, stone-like formations that develop in the gallbladder, usually due to changes in diet and aging. About 10% of adults have gallstones, and the chances increase with age. 20% of people over 40 and 30% over 70 are affected. Gallstones can remain unnoticed for years, but sometimes they cause pain or serious complications like infections, inflammation, pancreatitis, or blockage of bile flow. While studies in Western countries have provided data on how gallstones progress, there is limited information from developing countries like India. Interestingly, gallstones are found more often in northern India than in the south. The disease is usually diagnosed through symptoms, physical examination, blood tests, and imaging tools like ultrasound and CT scans. Ancient Indian texts, such as the Susruta Samhita, had already described gallstone-related jaundice centuries ago. Today, there appears to be a shift in how gallstones present in Indian populations, and this study aims to better understand the current patterns. It will explore how common gallstones are, how they show up in patients, how they are treated, and what results patients experience after treatment. This study looked at 50 patients with gallstones, most between the ages of 17 to 79, with an average age of 48. Nearly all had pain in the upper right abdomen and indigestion. Gallstones were more common in women, but gender didn't affect the type of stones. Mixed gallstones were the most common, followed by cholesterol and pigment stones. All patients were treated with surgery, mostly through open procedures. Recovery was generally smooth with few minor issues. One patient had gallbladder cancer. This research highlights the need for larger studies to understand how diet and lifestyle contribute to gallstone formation and prevention. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.